Okay, so we're going again on my Hummel Ultra Cruiser. So what's going on here now that we need to deal with? Okay, so the skin on these wings, the top here going all the way to the bottom. They made it when they did this one as one piece. Now here there is the rear spar. On the original drawing, it's calling for the rear skin to go here, go up and cover this piece. Okay, this is with 0.16 inch of the material. Here they did something else. They continued it all the way to the end, folded it and brought it all the way up, and then they did the rivets over here. They did actually the rivets pretty crowded. It's about like inch distance between. Let me show how the inside look and give me your opinion if we should actually cut it and make it like it's supposed to be. I don't think it's matter, to be honest, but let me show you guys the inside and let's look what's going on there. Okay, this is how it's look inside. Try to get a little deeper. Okay, so they did those ribs in between, and those ribs over there are actually holding the tail, those guys. So I don't know if this should be sufficient enough, because I could not actually, I step on it, it did not fold or anything.